Highlight text in PDFs with PicoPDF. Start by going to the Edit tab and clicking the Highlight button. On the Highlight toolbar, choose a highlight color from the predefined options using the color picker. Then move your mouse to the text you want to highlight, click, and drag across it. When you're finished, click the Done button on the Highlight toolbar to complete the process. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on highlighting text in PDFs with PicoPDF. To highlight text in PicoPDF, first open your document by clicking the Open button or dragging your file into the application. Go to the Edit tab at the top of the window. Near the center of the toolbar, click the Highlight button to activate the Highlight Text tool. Next, choose your highlight color by clicking the Color Picker button on the Highlight toolbar. You can either select from the predefined colors or click More Colors to open the Advanced Color Picker and choose a custom shade. After selecting your color, move your mouse to the text that you want to highlight. Then click and drag to apply the highlight. You can highlight as much text as you like wherever necessary on the page. If you want to remove the highlight, click the drop-down arrow next to the Highlight button and select Clear Highlight from the menu. When you're finished highlighting, simply click the Done button to exit the highlighting tool. Don't forget to save the changes by clicking the Save button on the Home tab, or click Save As to save it as a new PDF file. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.